Hi, I'm Brad Good, and I'll be giving you a brief introduction of how to use the calendar and inbox in Canvas. The calendar spans all courses, with each course identified by a separate color. You can view the calendar by week, month, or agenda. If your instructor sets due dates in Canvas, and not all instructors use the calendar, the assignments will show up on the calendar. Assignments are crossed out once the assignment has been submitted, which is a great way to keep track of your work. However, assignments that have been awarded a grade but do not contain an actual submission date will not be crossed out. You may add course and personal events to the calendar. To add events and assignments to your calendar, do the following. Click on the plus symbol to the top right next to the View buttons. Fill in the information. Students are required to use either their VCCS email or the inbox in Canvas. The inbox is organized chronologically by date from newest to oldest, with the newest conversations appearing on the top and the older conversations at the bottom. If the inbox link includes a numbered indicator, the indicator shows how many unread messages you have in your inbox. Once you've read the new messages, the indicator will disappear. You can view and reply to conversations and sort them by course or inbox type. Once you have selected a conversation, you can use the other options in the toolbar to reply to a conversation, reply all to a conversation, archive a conversation, delete a conversation, forward, mark a conversation as read or unread, and start conversations. Some instructors prefer students to email them from Canvas. This allows them to easily see the course and section that the student is in. When emailing from the inbox, the conversation will be saved.